Hi, I'm Marcus O'Brien and I lead the AutoCAD product management team here at Autodesk. We create the software used by the most cutting-edge architects, engineers and designers from around the world. And this year our software allows you to push the boundaries even further. Now when you subscribe to AutoCAD LT, you can take your work with you wherever you go with the AutoCAD web and mobile apps, and enjoy core desktop enhancements like DWG Compare and shared design views. Today I'll show you how you can put the power of AutoCAD LT to work for you.
Customers that currently subscribe to AutoCAD already have access to the AutoCAD mobile app, but this year we're adding more. As part of your subscription, you'll get access to the new addition to the AutoCAD family, the Autocad Web Application. For the first time, you can access original AutoCAD directly in your web browser. The Autocad Web App enables you to create, view, and edit your CAD drawings in a web browser from any device. There's nothing to download. Simply go to web.autocad.com and log in to get access. All the work that you do in Autocad Web App is accessible when you switch devices, so you can pick up where you left off when you work from home or off-site. To make the most of the web and mobile apps, when accessing AutoCAD 2019 from the desktop environment, there's a new Save to Web and Mobile capability, which enables users to save drawings and make them available on a web browser and mobile device. In AutoCAD 2019, we've added new features and enhanced others. So we have added DWG Compare, which overlays two drawings and highlights the differences between them. This makes it easy to review and understand the parts of the drawing that have changed. We've made vast improvements to the 2D graphics over the past few years. This year is no different. You'll notice vast improvements working with draw order, raster images, and editing visual properties in large selection sets. Shared Views is an enhancement to the Share Design Views feature that allows you to publish design views to a URL so you can share drawings and get feedback from clients and stakeholders without sharing the DWG files.
So there you have it. When you subscribe to AutoCAD LT, you can take your work with you with the web and mobile apps and enjoy core enhancements included in AutoCAD LT 2019.